What is up, fellow gamers? It is I, Levi Wilhelm, here to tell you the wonders of the mystical banana. I mean, come on, who doesn't like bananas? They're the apples of paradise. They're God's mystical boomerang. They almost seem perfect. Yet there is one major problem with the banana. I know, it seems crazy. It is that they have little to no biodiversity. Now, if you're a fetus who doesn't remember anything from the 7th grade, you have no idea what this big boy word means. But in order to answer that question, we have to go to English class. The word bio means life, and the word diversity means different. And if you put it together, it says life different. That doesn't really make any sense. Anyway, the point is, biodiversity is what makes plants original and unique. Biodiversity is very important, especially in plants. Here's why. If a plant with no biodiversity got a disease, not only would that plant die, but its entire species would. And that's a no-no. But what does this have to do with a banana? Bananas are the best thing a human could ask for. Well, in order to answer that question, we have to go to history class. I know, I'm a jack of all trades. So around the 1830s, there was another banana in the world, which technically was the original banana. It was called the Gros Michel. Gross Michael. No, okay, whatever, I'm just gonna call it Big Mike. And apparently it tasted really good. But then, in the 1950s, it was all wiped out because of a disease. And the members of society freaked out. Every man and woman sweat their pants off. Sea levels rose 3 inches that day. It was crazy. Imagine what it's like to live in a banana-less world. Imagine all those sad monkeys. So scientists developed a way to make a new banana. One that was more resistant to the disease that killed the prior banana. The Cavendish, also known as the current banana. So why does this matter? Well, it has to go back to that biodiversity thing I was talking about. Plants and animals need it. And since bananas are just genetic copies of each other, they have like no biodiversity. They're almost as bland as Lily Pond's Instagram page. So there's absolutely nothing stopping them from getting some disease to kill off the entire banana population. And oh yeah, by the way, there's already a disease that's killing bananas. So if we don't do something soon, then it's gonna be gone before we know it. And imagine living in that sad world. A life without bananas is a life without dignity. So how do we stop this problem? How about we just eat all the bananas before they go extinct? No, stupid. Dumb. I still love you though. But according to greenmatters.com, that's the most vegan name I've ever heard, it says that scientists have found a way to save the banana. Some guy from Australia went to Malaysia and found a different kind of banana species called the Musa and he took some of those genes and put it into our bananas, and now it can't get that one disease. But it's only a matter of time until the next disease comes. Bananas will go extinct, and in the future your sons and daughters will be eating peaches. Willingly. And so many therapists will have monkey patients so that the stock market actually crashes. And when that point comes, I lose all faith in humanity. Well, that's all I have to say. Hopefully that's good enough. Be sure to always remember, freedom of speech is an illusion. Little Mac is the best character in Super Smash Bros. And time is fake. See you later, gamers!